Hey, how's it going? This is Michael Dela Cruz, and let me guess, you're actually here because you're looking to know how to create passive income, right? Well, in this video, my friend, I'm going to show you how to create passive income on the internet, so stay tuned. Before I actually, show you how to truly, create passive income online or on the internet, let me first go ahead and subscribe to my channel. First of all, subscribe to this channel. That way you don't, you don't miss out on upcoming videos coming from me. And if you find any, you find value in this, any of the things that I'm saying, go ahead and click or hit like on the button and click the bell button. That way you don't miss out on any of my notifications when I upload a video. I'm actually looking forward to delivering a whole bunch of value, so that way you can you know exactly what to do and what you need in place in order to create passive income online or on the internet. So before continuing though, before I share with you that, let me go ahead and tell you a bit about myself. So I'm an entrepreneur, right? I'm an entrepreneur on the internet and off the internet. And the reason the reason why is because after working for a corporate job for several years, I discovered that I was burnt out, from that, and after I met my wife, after I decided to truly settle down with my wife, I noticed that I didn't have the time to really be there for her, how she deserved me to be there for her, right? I wanted to enjoy things that I love doing, things that I'm passionate about, but being in a corporate job did not allow me to do that, and I was actually burned out. Okay, so it was to the point that when I got home, my wife, just felt sorry, felt sad to see me that way, and I didn't even have the energy to be there for her and give her some quality time. But to fast forward, long story short, I went online. This is after I was truly falling asleep on my desk. I was falling asleep on my desk one day, and almost got called by my boss, by the way. But I was falling asleep on my desk one day, and I thought to myself, I was like, man, something needs to change in my life. I need to redesign my lifestyle. I need to be able to be there for my wife and do the things that we enjoy doing, right? Be passionate about the things that we love doing. So I heard people, that were actually creating passive income online, and I was like, man, I want to do that too. What do I need to do? So I Googled, how to create passive income, probably like you did, and pretty much I found people that were doing it, and I found a mentor, right? I found a mentor that showed me the method to do it, and let me scroll down a little bit. You're gonna see him very quick. So this is a person that I highly respect. His name is Dave Sharp, and Dave Sharp, man, he's the man that's been helping me all along to create passive income on the internet. So you're gonna have the opportunity to learn more about him later on. But this is when I started my path of earning passive income. And if it wasn't for this, back in 2016, my wife had a brain tumor, and if it wasn't for me making a decision to redesign my life and choose the path of earning passive income, I would have never been, there for her while she was getting the surgery, while she was in recovery. I was so glad that I made the decision to do this, because I was able to be for her, throughout all the steps that she needed to take to recover. And now we're closer than ever. We cook, at home together, and it's all thanks to that I'm able to earn passive income from home, and or from anywhere in the world, thanks to the internet. Okay, so let me get into it very quick. I'm gonna open my Paint. So this is how you create passive income on the internet. Okay, there's pretty much three things you need, and I want you to write this down. There's three things you need to create passive income. The first thing you need is traffic, right? And if you don't know what traffic is, I kind of mentioned this in other videos, but traffic is simply eyeballs or visitors of people that are searching for solutions to the problems on the internet. Okay, so if you go to Google, you know that there's billions of people searching for solutions to the problems on Google. So that's what traffic is. And then the second thing you need is pretty much a high converting system. And I'm going to illustrate to you what a system looks like, and it's how simple it is to earn passive income when you have this in place. Okay, and then so you have a high converting system that's going to do, it's kind of like an engine. It's going to do 90% of the work for you, while you focus on just pretty much driving traffic, to it, which is a 10%. Okay, if you ever heard of the term earn income while you sleep or while on vacation, or earn income on autopilots, because there's a system in place that person has, and that the system is actually doing the telling and selling on your behalf. Okay, so it's making sales for you passively, okay, by pretty much driving visitors through the system. Okay, so that's the second thing. The third thing you need is pretty much value ladder, which is actually something to offer, a product to sell. You need a product that's going to solve a problem, and this is how you create income. Okay, so I'm going to illustrate to you the high conversion system. You already understand what traffic is. So a system, first thing you need in a system is pretty much a landing page. Is also known as a capture page. They call it a lead capture page, squeeze page. So I'm just going to go by landing page. And a landing page is pretty much a page that has, has some fields to enter, either a name, and then it has some text here. Okay, let's just pretend that's text. So, and then, name or email is required, for you to access something. So let me give you an example. Let's say there's people looking to lose weight, looking for weight loss. They're looking to specifically lose that belly fat. Let's say you have a solution that actually helps that person lose their belly fat in within 3 to 5 business days, or 3 to 5 days, right? So this landing page here says, the person types on Google or YouTube or different platforms, how can I lose my belly fat? And let's say they come across your page, your landing page, that says, hey, are you looking to to lose your belly fat? Here are 3 ways that you can lose, or 3 steps to lose your belly fat in within 5 days, right? So I'll say, okay, all right, that's what I'm looking for. Let me check it out. So then it tells them to enter their their name or email into that page in order to access the information, in order to access the solution on how they can lose the weight. So then when they enter their email, then the third component will be of the system is an offer, right? This is, they call it sales video as well, or via sales. So it's like video sales letter. So this could be a video. I'm just going to put video, and it's going to be a little scribbly here, but okay, that says video. Okay, that's an O. Okay. So there you have it. That's like my kindergarten version of video. So when they enter their email, then they watch a video on how, that shows them the solution, right? Shows them how they can lose that belly fat in within 3 days. And this doesn't only have to be a video. It could be an ebook. It could be a free consultation, a free call from somebody that's going to give them insight on how they can lose that belly fat. And it's going to be like an appetizer, right? It's going to give them kind of like a sample of how they can really lose that belly fat in within 5 days. So once they watch the video, then the third component, if the person actually is ready to take action, the third component is offering them in this video. You're gonna give them an offer, something to purchase, right? So they can access, and this could be a supplement, this could be some kind of tea, or it could be even a DVD that you're actually offering this person, so they can really lose that belly fat, right? Okay, so then the third component is a checkout page, because you want to give the person the option to purchase something, because that's what they're being looking for. I mean, so many people, they spend a lot of money, going to the gym and things like that, or supplements. But if you have something here to offer them to solve their issue, it's a benefit to them. It's going to make them better. That's what that video is all about, or that ebook, or that whatever it is that you're offering them here. You're giving them the solution to them, to what they're already looking for. Okay, the solution to the problem. So that's why it's important that you have a product, a value ladder that offers people pretty much ways that they can lose, that belly fat. And I'm just using that as an example. So this is what a system is composed of. Now, there's a fourth component to a system, which is something called an autoresponder. An autoresponder is simply an email. It's an email software, right? It's an email software that actually collects people's emails and sends the person relevant messages automatically regarding what they're interested in. Okay, so since somebody over here, I'm just gonna put autoresponder. This is an R, by the way. My way of autoresponder. Look at this. This is kind of fun, actually. Okay, so hope you're getting a lot of value from this already, and I'm really want to show you how simple this is. It's not really complicated. We make it complicated because there's so much info out there, but this is exactly all you need to really create passive income. So when a person puts their, I'm just painting the image here. When a person puts down their email saying, yes, send me the info, yes, let me access my free ebook or whatever it is that you're offering. Yes, I want to, show me the info so I can lose, those, my belly fat within 5 days. Then they see the info, they get access to the video or an ebook. Let's pretend there's a video. So they watch a video that shows them how they can lose their belly fat. And at the end of the video, there's an offer being made of something that they can purchase, to solve their issue, which is to lose weight. They want to lose weight. They want to lose that belly fat and feel better about themselves, make them better. So there's an offer being presented to them at the end, so they can really, they can purchase something and really solve their problem. So then you have a checkout page, so they can check out. Okay, I want to buy this now. And then they check out, and then guess what? You make passive income, right? Now, the autoresponder, when they enter the email here at first, their email goes into this autoresponder here, which is, again, it's an email software. And I'll leave a link in the description showing you the autoresponder that I personally use. And so this page here is connected to the autoresponder. So when they enter the email, this way you can follow up. The reason why there's an autoresponder there, or an email autoresponder there, is because a lot of times people are not going to have time to watch the video, or maybe they're not ready to watch, that video or that presentation or download that ebook. And a lot of times, they might just be, we got ADD. They might just be in a hurry and not pretty much, they might not have the opportunity to purchase anything because they didn't have any time or they got distracted. So what an autoresponder allows you to do is to truly follow up with those people that did not purchase or did not, saw your information or did not purchase on the first time that they, that they enter the email to access the info, right? And trust me, people that are going here, they don't purchase, they really need this, this information because they're looking to lose belly fat. And if you have the solution, wouldn't you want to follow up with that person and help them out, right? If they didn't have any time, wouldn't you want to follow up with that person, right? I mean, so many times we forget things like, let's say you need to, let's say lose weight yourself, right? And there's this person that you see that is offering, that you see testimonials of people, losing weight, and then you say, hey, I need to get that. And then, something comes up and then you forget about it and then you never see the person again. And then a few days later, the person comes by, to the same location and, hey, you still interested in losing weight? And it's like, yeah, but by the way, I got distracted last time. So the person follow-ups with them. So this is what an autoresponder does. And this can happen on autopilot because, again, the autoresponder, what you do is that you actually preload messages. So before you start sending traffic or visitors to the site, you want to preload already done for you messages, on the autoresponder. So when somebody puts their email in, they get an email automatically. This could happen while you sleep, while you're on vacation, while you're even at work. So you can do this part-time too, because you can automate things, right? Thanks to the internet. So when somebody enters their email here, they automatically get an email, like it could be a welcome email, or it could, a welcome email with the video in there, hey, saying, hey, here's the video again in case you didn't get a chance to watch it. You're giving them a chance to, look at your opportunity or look at your offer again. So that's what the autoresponder does. Okay, and this is the four components you need to truly make passive income with anything, any program. This could be with weight loss, it could be with coaching, real estate. This could be we make money online, network marketing, you name it. This is the only four things you need. And then the traffic, of course, which is once you have this set up, you want to have traffic that is relevant to what you're already offering. Like, for example, if you don't want to send traffic through here of people that are searching or looking to train their dog, right? Because this landing page, just give me an example, it's actually regarding weight loss. So they're not even gonna be interested. They're just gonna ignore this because, again, that's not what they're looking for. They're looking to train their dog. So if you're one of those people to be in here, and if you have a solution to train a dog, like a program or something, then you want to put here in the headline, hey, here's how to train a dog in 4 days, or whatever your solution is, right? And then you want the video to be, okay, well, now that you enter your email, now here's the video, here's the ebook on training your dog, to do the things you wanted to do. And then, oh, by the way, there's a cool DVD I have for you, or a booklet, or whatever. You want to purchase that, then, purchase now, and then you have this checkout page. And then if they didn't purchase, then there's an autoresponder that's going to send a message. Hey, by the way, welcome, thank you for subscribing. Welcome to my newsletter. Here's that video again on training dogs or weight loss. So you get the whole point. You get the whole picture. See how simple it is. Okay, this is how you truly create passive income on the internet. All right, so do you see how simple it is to truly create passive income, online, right? On the internet? It's truly, truly simple, and there's no need to overcomplicate things. But the reason, people complicate things because there's so much info out there that, that it's kind of hard to pretty much, implement any of this, things. Now, you may be asking, how in the heck do I have all these things set up for you? So as I mentioned before, I have a method for you so you can have all of this done for you already, and that way all you have to do is just plug into it and start generating passive income from the internet. So I left you a link below this video. Go ahead and click that link right now, and once you click that link, it's gonna pull up a page where it's gonna ask you for details. So go ahead and enter your details on there and get access to that free training, because it's gonna show you exactly how you can get all of this done for you and start earning passive income online. So thank you for watching. If you got value from any of this, go ahead and click that like button, hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And thank you for being here. So once again, go ahead and click that link below this video, and I'll see you on the inside.